For today's lesson we will talk about common floor plan symbols, plumbing symbols. Floor plan symbols are graphical representations of architectural elements, furniture, appliances, and other features used to create floor plans. Floor plan symbols help to communicate the layout and design of a space, as well as the function and purpose of each element. Some common floor plan symbols are walls are thick lines that define the boundaries of a room or a building. Walls can be solid, dashed, or dotted, depending on their type of visibility. Doors are shown as thin lines that intersect with walls. Doors can have different shapes and styles such as swing, sliding, folding, or revolving. Doors can have symbols that indicate their opening direction, such as an arc or an arrow. Windows are shown as thin lines that are parallel to walls. Windows can have different shapes and sizes, such as rectangular, circular, or irregular. Windows can also have symbols that indicate their type and function, such as casement, awning, or fixed. Furniture is shown as simplified shapes that represent the size and shape of the object. Furniture can include tables, chairs, sofas, beds, cabinets, and more. Furniture can also have labels that indicate their name and dimensions. Appliances are shown as icons that represent the type and function of the device. Appliances can include stoves, refrigerators, dishwashers, washers, dryers, and more. Appliances can have labels that indicate their name and specifications. Other features are shown as symbols representing the specific element or system. Other features include stairs, fireplaces, sinks, toilets, showers, bathtubs, outlets, switches, lights, fans, vents, and more. Plumbing is the system of pipes, valves, fittings, and fixtures that delivers clean water and removes wastewater from a building. Plumbing is essential for the health and safety of the occupants of the building, as well as for the protection of the environment. Plumbing codes and standards regulate plumbing systems' design, installation, and operation to ensure their quality and performance. Here are some of the plumbing symbols used in planning. The first column contains the names of the fittings, valves, and fixtures. The second column shows the pictures, and the last column displays their corresponding symbols. How much have you learned? Let's do this. Ask the students to identify the common symbols used in plumbing. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. And lastly, number 5.